Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jennifer, and today we're checking out something I've always wanted, a cordless glue gun. A seller on Amazon sent this over, but is it actually worth the hype? Well, I'm putting it to the test with a full review and demo to see if this is a must-have for your craft stash or just another gadget. First things first, let's unbox it. Okay, so it came wrapped in plastic. Of course, I opened it already because I had to charge it since it is a cordless glue gun. Now, first of all, when you open up the package, you have your charger, and it is a USB on one side and then a USB-C. So you have to make sure you have a wall charger that fits this USB. You have instructions, a stand, the actual glue gun, and it comes with an assortment of glue sticks, which I love that they have some glitter glue and some regular glue. Now, first thing I did was when I took it out the package, I charged it and it gave a full charge in about 30 minutes. So I'm gonna connect this piece on and it just slips right in once I line it up. And there we go. I pushed it in firmly, and so now it should be able to stand on its own. I love the fact that this came with a case, because my other glue guns I just have them laying in a little bin somewhere, but this has its own dedicated spot, so I always know where to find it. And this is where the charger goes in the back. I'm gonna turn it on. Blue means in use, that it is warming. Red means it is charging, because when you plug it up, it should turn red. And if it's green, then that means it is fully charged. So I had this on a charger, it was red, and then once it was finished charging, it turned green. And now that it's warming up, it's blue. It also has like a little stand right here in the front, so you know when you sit it down, if it wasn't on this stand, you can lean it on this front stand. So I'm gonna go ahead on and load in a glue stick. The instructions say it should take about 2 minutes to warm. We're just gonna slide it in, and then we're gonna let it sit and warm up. So the glue sticks that this used, the size is about 7 millimeters, or it would be 0.27 inches, is in the description of the item. So it's not the big fat glue sticks, it's the skinny ones. Or mini, I guess you would say. And here are the glitter sticks. So we're gonna go ahead on and make an Easter wreath because it's close to Easter, so I figured this would be the perfect craft to make while testing out this glue gun. So we're just doing a little mini wreath. It's been about 2 minutes. Let's go ahead on and check it out to see if any glue comes out. And it is coming out. There we go. So I don't know if you can see this. Let's see if I can get a different paper. I'm trying to get a close-up so you can see this. It's flowing out. I'm lightly pressing the button right here and it is flowing out very easy. And I can feel the glue is nice and hot. So first what I'm gonna do is just wrap this tool around my wreath, and then I'm going to add the eggs around it using the hot glue gun. Now we're going to use the hot glue gun to glue the eggs all around the wreath. And I just love not having a cord to worry about. I feel like I can just move around the house and use this for different purposes. Now I just saw a little steam. This glue gun gets very hot, y'all. So be careful. And to say that it's cordless, I've never used a cordless glue gun before. And I mean, this is hot. I can feel the heat from right here. Now I'm running out, like my glue stick is about like in the inside right here, inside the chamber. So I'm gonna add another glue stick. You know when it starts getting hard, when you can't push out the glue anymore, because it's just, I'm just gonna push through another glue stick. So I have one ready. And if you're wondering if it leaks while it's not in use, well, it is not. Like I have a little tiny bit at the tip, but it's not like dripping down. I have no hot glue on my surface right here. So that's just something good to know, that it doesn't drip. Okay, so here is our final Easter craft that we made. Definitely, I would recommend this glue gun. It was lightweight, the trigger was easy to pull, the flow of the hot glue just came out, and it gets very hot. Like you can feel the heat from here. So I definitely say add this to your craft stash. I have the link in my Amazon storefront below, and that will do it. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead on and give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe because it's free to do and it helps out my channel. See you in the next one.